In this question, you are being asked to decide which two of the following are differences between sole traders and limited liability companies. A sole trader is a business that is owned and operated by one individual, and there is no legal distinction between the owner and the business. Whereas with a limited liability company, it is owned and operated by different individuals, and it is a separate legal entity to its owners. Looking at the statements that we have to decide upon, the first one says that a sole trader's financial statements are private, and a company's financial statements are sent to shareholders and may be publicly filed. This is a correct distinction. Our sole traders are effectively reporting the performance of their business to themselves, and there is no obligation to make their accounts public. The next statement says that only companies have capital invested into the business. This is not a correct distinction. All businesses will need some kind of capital injection at the very least. For our sole traders, it is referred to as capital, and for our companies, it's referred to as share capital. Our next statement says that a sole trader is fully and personally liable for any losses that the business might make. This is a correct distinction in comparison to a company where there is limited liability for the owners. For a sole trader, there is no legal distinction between the business and the owner, and so as a result, they are fully personally liable. Our final statement states that revaluations can be carried out in the financial statements of a company, but not in the financial statements of a sole trader. A sole trader does not have to follow the accounting standards as a company would. However, they can adopt the policies of a company. It is seen as best practice, even if there is no obligation. And so as a result, revaluations may take place within a sole trader's set of financial statements. And so reviewing this question and the two differences between sole traders and limited liability companies is our first and our third option.